Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elaine. I don't normally post more than one video a week unless I'm in something special, a collaborative, or I do my goals collaborative once a month, and that always posts on Saturdays. Normally I'm a Tuesday morning kind of gal. And this week I wanted to do something and tell someone how much I really appreciate what they've done. Have you ever had someone do something for you that was so kind, so generous, not selfish in any sort of way, and you just kind of don't know what to do to repay them? Well, that's how I feel right now. Let me tell you a little bit of a story. I have blueprints in my Etsy shop, and another YouTuber goes by Grammy's Keepsakes purchased a couple of rolls of my blueprints. Well, she actually made a lap book using my blueprints. So also during this time, I found out that a friend of mine knows her and has actually been to her house, and they do little craft days together and everything. And you just don't know how much I wish I could join them, but we're just too far apart. Anyway, I one day received an email from Grammy's Keepsakes. Her name is really Lori. And asking me that part of her 2,000 subscriber celebration, if she could help me with my channel and see if we could get my channel to grow. How do you turn that down? You don't. So I said, sure, tell me what I need to do. I'm ready to sign on the dotted line. So she gave away 2 journals. There was me and Dee Dee that she wanted to help. And I can't tell you how appreciative I was. And I have been thinking about it and thinking about it. You know, I've thanked her and thanked her and thanked her publicly and everything. But I don't know. I felt I needed to do something else. So previous to her reaching out to me, I had purchased that lap book that she used my blueprints in. Now, the blueprints are part of my everyday job. However, these are real blueprints. You can't get them anymore. Blueprints these days are made with fancy printers, black and white. They're not the purple that looks like kind of mimeograph paper. So I had to have it. So I want to show you what I purchased. And yes, I'm going to be honest. This is me thanking Grammy. I keep saying Grammy. Grammy's Keepsakes, aka Lori, the best way that I think I can. And that is to promote her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. Now, of course, I don't have the followers that she has. Maybe one day a gal can hope. But I want to show you what I got from her. And this is the card. I hope you can see this. This is the card that came in the package that I got. And it, Grammy's Keepsakes, her name, her email address, her YouTube channel, her Facebook, and of course her Etsy shop. So again, I'm going to ask you to reach out, take a look at what she has, but I want to show you a couple of things. Besides some digitals that I got from her, which I didn't print those out, these are coffee stained papers that she has done. I cannot begin to tell you how wonderful they feel and how beautiful they are. They are different. I don't I can't see any two that are the same, maybe close, but I don't know. They feel so rich and luxurious. And of course, you can smell that smell of coffee. So let me finish going through these here really quick for you. But these are, I purchased 2 bundles. I want to say it was like 10 sheets per bundle. I mean, look at that. I just love them. I mean, I just really do. It's so funny because when you get things like this, of course you want to use it, but you also want to hoard it. That's what we do, isn't it? So anyway, that's the first thing. Now, the lap book. And I'm going to tell you a little secret. There's more than one. She had a sale. I ended up purchasing 2 of her lap books while she was having this sale. So now this is the one where she used my blueprints that she had ordered from me. Alrighty. Now, this side over here, let's see if I can get in frame here. It is knocking my glue over. It is got a little magnet in it and all of these, all different pieces of blueprints and still places for you to journal. And look at that, how that magnet works. Now this is, whoops, got stuck here a little bit. This is a journal in here. I'm tearing up my desk on this side, knocking over my glue. But this is a little journal enclosed in here. And you can take it out. It's elastic band. So if you want to change the journal, it isn't with the signature. But here's some more of my blueprints. I'm not going to tie that back up. But there are tags. And of course you can journal on one side. And open this up. Now I'm probably going to do a little bit to make this more my own. Since I do have so many blueprints. Hint, hint. I'm probably going to go ahead and cover up some of these and put more blueprints in it. And then this, of course, is another journal on this side as well. Alrighty, and here's a little tuck spot and some more all kinds of papers. Alrighty, and then over here, this is actually an envelope. I'm here taking it apart and not putting anything back together. But this has an envelope with some pockets. And then over on this side is a place, again, to stick tags and notes and everything else. So this is the lap book using my blueprints that I got from Lori. Alrighty, now, let me show you the other one. I'm telling you, y'all need to go check her out. She is so precise. And when she does her YouTube videos, there is no guessing. She talks to you about everything she does. And I don't know, she's just very detailed. So here we go. In this one, she gave me a little bag of ephemera. And here we have, I forget I think it was Artsology paper that she had downloaded and used here. And so, of course, on this accordion, there's places to still journal. And here we go with these papers. Again, aren't they beautiful? And she prints with a laser printer, which I really like. That's what I like to print with as well. And so in this case, here's some tags and another little pocket. And again, I can make this my own by adding some more different papers. So as we showed before, here's another place for a journal. Excuse me. Little tuck spot. And the different papers. And again, it has the elastic band that I can remove it and add a different book in there if I want to. Let's go ahead and take this one apart. Since I'm taking everything apart, let's do it. If I can, if I know what in the world I'm doing. Here we go. And so again, some different kinds of papers. And the pockets again. And then over here again, little pockets. And these have like little cloth tabs and stuff that she's done. I'm telling you, her work is so impressive. It is just delightful. Just delightful. So, you know, what I paid for these lap books was worth every penny. Excuse me. Now, when I sat down to do this video, this little thank you was also in there. And when I looked at it, I said, looks like it's perforated, like it would open up. So I did open it. And the little phrase says, "We must find time to stop and thank the people who make a difference in our lives. Robert Kennedy." Well, Lori, thank you. I'm going to take this moment and thank you because you have certainly made a difference in my life, believing in my YouTube channel and believing in me. I greatly appreciate it. And if you all want to check out Lori, I will put a link below, but I also have her as one of my featured channels. Now, I don't have very many, but Lori is definitely on my list. So I do want to say again, thank you, Lori, very much for all that you have done, basically for a long distance friend, little bit of a stranger, but I appreciate it more than my words will ever begin to tell you. So thank you, everybody, and I do appreciate you stopping by. Catch you all down the road, and listen, do something nice for somebody. Bye-bye.